If you didn't know that few people have been earning money online using their smartphones, in today's video I'm going to show you the different ways of how you can earn money, or how the few people have been earning money on social media with their smartphone. Now, before we see how they have been earning or how we are earning money on social media with our smartphones or on anything provided it is online, let me tell you, around 15 to 30% of individuals, of creators, have been earning fully or are earning fully on social media with their smartphone worldwide. And this was a survey which is proved. You can see in the description, you'll see where the survey came from. Then around 20% of the large creators in India, you guys, they are at least, we can say 80%, depending on social media. Then we go to the majority of creators, they are just getting a bit of small money, whereby we find that if we combine the majority of them, we'll find that a year at least, all of them have gotten almost around 15,000 US dollars. So what does this show you? It shows you there is money on social media, there is money with your smartphone, there is money provided you have internet. The only requirement you need a smartphone, irrespective of what it is. You need to be having an idea. 3, you need to have internet connection. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you around 5 to 10 ways of making money with your smartphone, with Wi-Fi or with data bundles. I know you're going to ask, why are you on this so much? This is our we can say this is our project. It can also be your project. If you go to the global now economy, really, you'll find out that online earnings are high, whether it is a business or it is a service. If you're not online, please check it check it out. You should start thinking of doing it right now. Before we dive in, allow me say this is a big disclaimer and I want you to underline it. I'm not saying that the moment you start this or you follow what we are teaching you or we are bringing for you, you're going to be a millionaire. No, baby girl, you're not going to be a millionaire. We are bringing for you very few tips. The tips that we have used, the tips that have been used by the few individuals you've seen globally. Around 15 to 30% of people have been fully depending on social media, on earning money online. So we are bringing for you those tips, and these tips are legit. So if you want, you can go research, look around. If you like them, you continue. If you don't like, leave. And to my special engagers, please come please, I love you so much. Let me give you some pick. I love you, you make us, and together we can. Yes. So can we dive in and see exactly how can we earn money, or how are we been earning money on social media, online, with our smartphone? The first one is YouTube. YouTube has made people survive. YouTube has made people get the way of earning, provided they know the codes. How are they getting it? In particular with me, you get money from ads, you get money from sponsorship, those are brands, you get money from membership, and many more others. If you want to know the details, put it in the comment section. The second one is Facebook content monetization. Facebook content monetization, I can call it. However, there are terms and conditions. So you earn from in-stream, you earn from real ads, you earn from subscription, you earn from stars, and brand or sponsorship. There are very many that you can earn from. So provided they are available in your country or in your location. So be ready for it. The third one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products, other people's services, and you earn commission. How has it been done? There are already some of the platforms that are promoting it for you to be an affiliate marketeer. If you want to know these platforms, put it in the comment section. I come with a how to do or a tutorial for you. Can we see TikTok creator monetization? Are you in a country that there is content monetization for TikTok? People are earning through creator rewards, they're earning through brand deals, they're earning from live gifts, provided the country you're in, the nation you're in is eligible. Like where I am, we are not eligible for content monetization. In East Africa, in West Africa, unless there are other measures you can use for you to start earning. If you want to know that, put it also in the comment section, I'll come with it. Then there's selling digital products. Selling digital products is one of my I love it so much. Digital products, you don't need to go to institutions for you to have masters, to be a doctor, for you to do this. No, need your smartphone, you need internet. So here you can sell different things like ebooks, like templates, like planners. You can go ahead and even do online courses. Can we see freelancing? Do you know most people are doing freelancing, but they don't know that they are doing freelancing? Do you know what freelancing is? If you don't know, put it in the comment section. They offer services like writing, graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, video transcripts, all these ones. And even they go ahead and do virtual assistants. They do social media management. All these ones are, you can go and access some of the platforms where you'll get a freelancing job. Print on demand. Print on demand, including this t-shirt I'm putting on. I got it through print on demand. It's written in the creator. It is on demand like the way you hear it. And it is not hard. What you do, you can design t-shirts, you can design mugs, you can even go ahead and do phone cases, accessories, towel embroidery, sheets embroidery, whatever you want. People want those things. Like, who doesn't want something like this? The creator. I'm the creator. And you? So you can get these ones without holding any capital, without having an inventory, without go into the stress of opening a physical business. You can do this. And people have been earning through this. Online tutoring and coaching. This one, some of my friends have been doing it. Teaching languages. There are people who want to learn Olunyankole, my language, but they don't. There are people who want to learn French. There are people who want to do a lot of things. So tech languages, businesses, fitness, or any skill that you have, you can sell it. You can teach someone through video calls, WhatsApp groups, in Telegram, even Zoom. So you can do this. Let's see user-generated content. Have you ever seen, recently, we can be glued on TikTok watching a movie generated by AI. What about you? My friend recently generated a very good lyric song from her poem, from her experience, and it can sell. So you can create videos for brands. You can even create videos for yourself from your experience, from what you love, without or with anything. Last but not least, we talk about stock content. Stock content is something that I started with. I remember even I tried to sell. People are making money out of this. You are buying these ones. So, for example, they sell photos, they sell videos or digital artwork to stock platforms. You guys, have you been on any platform? You go to download a photo, it tells you some dollars. This is how you can do it. Like the way I told you, more than 50% of creators, they are earning less. But you can also be among the 30% of the creators that are earning high. See you in another video, and please give a like,